It's an easy problem. It said we'll be given an array of integers and the output is going to be the pair of minimum difference. So here actually the difference is 1, so the output is going to be all the pairs of which have difference 1. And here is another example. In this case it have difference, the minimum difference is 2 and we have only one pair of that. Okay, to do so the easy way is to sort the array first, which I have done here, and getting the minimum difference by adding the infinite or the maximum difference here and then finding it. After that we'll just add those value into the result by checking if the minimum difference is the difference within the array of the pair, and then I'm just appending that array with the result and then returned it. Thank you.